hindi lalaro si Arwin, oh.
Darating daw. Kaparating ka?
Darating ba yun, eh?
Nagdiretso tuloy kami. Puro tangalo ang hindi napapasok eh.
Wala mali ka! Ano sabi?
Sunod-sunod, anin. Wala talaga. Ano daw address? Ano daw address? Hindi ka lang mga bago? Ano ba yan? Ang sinag na yun eh, Ruby na dun. Okay na yan, pasok na lang. Pasok na? Okay na. Okay, wala. Ayos na. Ayos na, pre.
Saan na?
Oo.
Ipit mo nga dyan, pre. Ipit mo nga.
Ay, masabi lang, nag-start na. Kamera na? Oo, kamera na. Hello, yun na.
Yak!
Ikaw lang ikaw? Sa kamera. Ano ba to? Tutok lang? Tutok lang. Oh, sige. Sir. Tapos, wala na akong gagawin. Dito lang. Yan.
Ihabol mo lang, pre.
Ha?
Ihabol mo lang lagi.
Itutok ko lang kay Junard to. Ay, kay Roy na lang pala. Ano tong
Wala na. Kung nagkamali ka, itong negative. Ito, madali ito. Ito minus.
Number 40, number 21, number 11, and number 1 Pressy forever. Yan.
Naka-live na to, pre? Oh, live na yan.
Double between Viva Wild, Pastudio, Fast Food, Natabit, Yellow Ball, 16 shots, second to shoot, number 27, oh, Hinares, rebound by number 40, number 40, number 31, pass to number 1, pass to Maganto, number 30, Magato sa number 7. Number 31. Number 31 pass to number 40. Number 40 pass to Magato device. Terminated by number 31, Magato. Pass to CSU. To number 27, Balcos. Tumira ng 3, Balcos. Is good. Number 27 for 3. Number 27 is back to you, man. Magato. Magato. Skill. Pass to JB. JB pass to Magato. CSQ pass to number 27. Easy to go by number 27. Kaya mabilis ang mga ito. Number 11.
7 lang, 7 lang.
Number 11 pass to number 31. Number 31 to number 1 Regin. Fina sa kay Magato. Magato pass to 940. 940 pass to center. Sa kanta. Tumira on foul. Who's foul left? Number 20. Number 20 foul by number 20 Costudio.
Ilan na school lang?
7-0 lang, 7-0.
Kamali ka? Oo nga, bukas.
Number 30.
Huwag mong gayanin yan. Ikaw, gusto mo mag-ganyan.
Score ka rin na sa'yo.
Score ka. Pero inasa akin ang tama.
Second try by number 30 is no good again. Rebound by number 11. Number 11 between number 34 is no good by number 11. CSQ. CSQ. People the ball by CSQ. CSQ rin ang pagpapagawa sa bandang Steel. Steel to Magato. Magato. Libre-libre. Magato is no good by Magato. Score 7-4. Number 34. Pass to Regin. Skill. Nakuha. Balik back to CSQ. CSQ. Side step by CSQ is no good. Rebound down. Oh. Jump ball between Yi. Double bay ball. Double bay. Number 11. Pass to number negative 40. Negative 40. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Tumira ang Tres Malato. Is no good. No good. Nakuha ng number 40. Dinulong. Number 40. Sumalaksa. Is no good. Rebound by number Costudio. Costudio. What? Costudio. Send the ball. Send the ball. Yellow ball. Yellow ball. Stay by the arrow. Number 7. To number 5, J-Mac. J-Mac pass to Landan. Landan, dribble Landan. Hop. Hop, mapakit. Nakuha ni Custodio. Custodio. Number 13, first personal foul by number 13. Bonus shot by Custodio. Para sa kanan daw, wala na, nag-iisa ka na lang dyan. Wala ka lang ba, happy, PR ka na.
PR yan.
Good by number 11. Number 40.
Pagdating ng NRC.
Dito to by number 40.
Pagdating ng NRC, madami may interview.
Number 40. Pass to number 13. To number 13, pass to Friendship, tumira ng 3. Boom. Wala, ikaw pa number 13. Good by number 13. Easy to ball by number 13. 27, Balcos. A 1-on-1 play to Magato. Pass to Landan. Pass to J-Mac. Pass to Custodio. Masyadong malalim. Masyadong malalim daw ang pasa. Number 13. Number 13, pass to number 31, Magato. Magato. Pass to number 40. Negative 40. To drive. Is good. Rebound by Balcos. Balcos. Pass to 20 by Steal by number 31. Number 20. Hindi na ang bola. Tudangdan. Number 7. Number 7, Marcos. Marcos. Nagdaan ang papadaan sa number 20. Number 20. The five is good by number 20. Number 20 is...
Roy, hindi nga naman.
Number 31. To Brazil. Back to number 31. Pass to number 40. Number 31. Pass to Brazil. Brazil to Miranandres. No good. Pass back to Abe. Abe, the ball. Number 22. Pass to number 20. Costudio. Costudio. Pass to Miranandres. Lima. Wala. Lima ka number 40. Ang lalim. Is no good. Rebound na number 11. Number 11. Pass to Manato. Manato. Manato na naman yung Brazil. To Miranandres. Good. Napakalapit sa mga lalawan nun. Wala siya by pressing forever. Tapos uniform. Characteristic of conditioner.
Number 7, first personal foul.
Another third time. Above the shot by pressing number 1. Pag-highlight po yun. Patrimo ba namin namin? Brian. Easy 2 points again. Napakaganda po yun. Score 12-11. Naman po ang Brazil ang isa. Number 27. 27. Tipo de gol de number 27. Tommy Hernandez. Living pressure forever. Pressure forever yan. Easy to go by pressure number 1.
Lamang, lamang.
Number 7. Score 13-12. Number 7 to number 12. Parejo. Number 2. Number 2 to the goal. 8 seconds to shoot.
Uy!
Number 40. Number 40. Number 40.
Abel.
Substitution!
Number 2.
Makita din ako sa camera.
Parejo, di mo na ba Parejo? Di mo na ba Parejo? Sa gitna, binigay ng Rosta. Rosta, tumir na kayo. Ryan. Number 11, Ryan. Number 11 to 40. Negative 40 to Magato. Magato. Di mo na ba Magato? Pass to Ryan. Pass to center point. Center point. Rebound na number 40. Foul. Foul by number 6. 15. Foul by
15 ang first personal foul, 13 foul.
sabit. Labas, pasok.
Kagawad yan, kagawad.
Awad, pasok.
number 23. Kagawad. In.
Makakashoot na kaya?
Is good. First try of number 40 is good. Second try. Is good again by number 40. 15-12. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng Drummond Bay. Abe. Dribble by Abe. Abe. Pass to number 20. Studio. Tumulong. No good. Rebound by number 40. Pass to friendship. 1-1-2 to Miranandres. No good. Rebound by number 20.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
17-12 in favor of Drummond Bay.
Number 22. Number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 10. Still matatabi. Number 1. Number 1 to Miranandres. Boom! Number 1. 30 for 3.
1 minute and 25 seconds.
Cross down to number 2. Number 2. Number 2. 2. Kagawad. Kagawad. Bayo. Rebound by Custodio. Custodio. Easy to go by Custodio. Number 20.
20-14. Favor of Province.
Number 31. Magato.
Kasab ka ba?
Last 1 minute.
Magato the big picture.
Ay, tapos.
Pass protection number 1. Magato the big picture.
50 seconds na lang.
Magato. Go right.
Second personal foul. Ay, first personal foul, second team foul. Second team foul.
Napakaganda pa yun. Custodio. Number 20. Number 20. Pass to Abel. Abel. No good. Balik, balik. Pass to Messi. To Mirante. Number 20.
12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1.
Score 14-23. Laban po ang Roman Bay ng Shanks.
Ay, wag na. Ha? Oo, alangan. Alangan.
Pero pagka... Nakatatlo ka na pre ah. Dali ako kay Roji ah. Oo, akala ko Roji, akala mo mag-acting. Akala ko.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Roman Bay po, Roman Bay. Number 12, to negative 40. Number 5. Foul by number 3. Holding foul by number 3. Side ball, side ball.
First personal foul. Number 2. First team foul.
Number 20. Number 20. Hold the ball, rebound by number 20. Number 20. Pass to Kiki Santos. Messina, number 22.
16-23.
Number 40. Picking ball, negative 40.
Rep, ikaw, rep.
With play.
May ikaw isa doon, oh.
Number 5.
Ikaw.
Number 5.
Number negative 40. Walang foul. Carlo,
Jumbo set by the referee.
may hikaw ata yung negative 40 sa kabila. Kaya patanggal mo muna hikaw. Teka lang, teka lang. Pre, ikaw pre.
J-Man, pass to number 7. Tandan. Tandan. Sabay na lang. Steal naman. Steal na naman ng negative 40. Is 2-point basket out by negative 40.
Number 7, second personal foul, first team foul.
A bonus shot.
Sub. Pasok.
Pasok.
Number 7 and number 7. Negative 40. Bonus shot by negative 40. Ay, lakas. Rebound by Batos.
Twenty 25-20 in favor of Broadway.
Sub.
Sub.
Number 23.
23, first personal foul, second team foul.
First round by Batos.
Beng!
It's good by Costal.
Isa!
Second try by Costal.
Beng!
Second try is good again. Ayer.
25-22 in favor of Broadway.
Rebound na ball by negative 40. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 8. Pass to Ferenczi. Take shot. 8, 7, 6. Line ball. Balcos pass to CSQ. CSQ number 5. CSQ easy. CSQ pass to
Number 1, second personal foul, third team foul.
Kuha ang sakyan. Ha? Oh, sige pre, thank you. Nasa Grande pa ako eh.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game.
Sige na, dali lang.
Go. 25-23. Pass to Tayo.
Oh, sige pre, thank you. Sige pre, sige, wait lang.
Number 14. Negative 42. To number 23. Number 23. Sumalaksak. Malakas. Rebound. Pass to negative 14. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Pass to negative 14. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Rebound by Santos. Natitawan. Grabe ball. Grabe ball. By Santos to number 27. Number 27 Santos. Number 27 Pastor.
Substitution. Nerd, may ano ka? Nerd. Yellow. Yellow. Number 27, first personal foul, second team foul.
10 seconds, 40 seconds shot clock. Number 11 to number 3 to number 14 to number 3 number 10 to number 3 is good number 3 number 3
28-22 in favor of Drummondale.
pass to number 10 number 13 to JP 11 seconds shot clock. Demarello, magandang pasa. Oh, malalim pa siya to. Number 20, Pinasa, is good to number 20. Pumasok pa rin.
2 minutes and 35 seconds.
Number 5, CSU, is back to right, Ayeli. Is holding pataas. Rebound down. Apat na down.
Substitution.
Substitution.
Pasok. Wala. Sub. Number 5, first personal foul, third team foul. Third team foul. First personal foul. First personal foul.
Ayeli. Is good by number 3.
29-24 in favor of Drummondale.
Is good again. Number 5, the CSU. Number 20.
Last 2 minutes.
Jaco.
Take ball.
Better ikot. Pass to Bunahe.
Is 32-24 in favor of Drummondale. 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Number 5, people of the game, number 5, pass to Michael. Michael ang nakapagpapasalan sa break. Basketball by the master. Number 2, Jake Cuenca. Foul by number
Check.
31.
Gago talaga si Sprite.
55.
Pre, ayos yung commentator mo Ayos na ayos yan Kung hindi si SQ yung tawag mo
Number 2, first
Tangina tinulak na rin.
Number 20, second personal foul. Warning.
Warning.
Both teams, warning. Both teams, warning.
Number 17, pass to Michael. Is still a fight. Number 11, no good. Rebound. Is still there. Snap one.
Last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute. In second quarter. Double foul foul by the CSQ. Referee.
Double foul, symbol tayo.
Sino foul? Sino foul?
Number 2. Number 5. Ball possession. Number 3, tumira ng 3. Nagod. Rebound by number 5. Alagi. Napakatuloy. Napakabilis na naman.
CSQ ang puta.
28-32 in favor of Drummond Bay. Last 30 seconds. Penalty. Number
20 ba?
2 second personal foul.
2-0.
Penalty.
Number 2 to ah.
Number 2 second personal foul.
First time of
Second.
a broken shot is good.
$33-28 in favor of Drummond Bay.
21 seconds. Second try. Is no good. But rebound. Jump shot by. Rebound by Giancarlo. Giancarlo rebound.
Last 6 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's goal. 33-20.
Hoy, lagi ka nakikita sa camera. Lagi ka nakikita, lagi mo naharangan. Kahit kasi dadalawa referee. Dapat tatlo. Sabi ko kay Juran kung kailangan niya mag-referee ako eh. Dito na lang daw ako. Okay na yan. Pagod na ako. Tatlo tayo. Hindi na, okay na ako dito. Ha? Okay na ako dito.
Paul Drummond. Granby. Number 5, first personal foul. Number 20, second personal foul. Number 2, second personal foul. Number 7, second personal foul. Number 15, first personal foul. Drummond Bay. Number 23, first personal foul. Number 3, first personal foul. Number 1, second personal foul. Number 13, first personal foul. And number 55, second personal foul. Score po natin 28-33 in favor of Drummond Bay.
Nestor! Baka naman! Huwag mo nang palayan si Miss Yu!
Tama, baka naman.
Baka naman, magpapakain ka naman sa estimate! Yes! Ano ka nakita mo? $42,000?
Happy ako pa.
Happy ka naman, tapos ang dahil pa chikinili ka gabi.
Sana all PR. Sana all PR.
Nestor, ito dito, papakilala kita ng Tison!
Lagi, yung
Sigurado ka ba yan? Baka hindi sila yan.
May boy-boy dito maglalaro ako eh.
Iiwanan na rin ang smiles. Bigyan ko po. Drummond Baseball. Drummond Baseball. Set by the
Gusto na kayo, ha? Dadan, matutunan.
by the committee.
Dek, likod mo, Dek! Tulak mo na, tulak mo yan, Roy! Labas mo yan! Labas mo!
Nabila ng masturbation tumira ng tres. Malakas. Bain.
Baba, baba, baba! Eh, tulungan mo na, ano? Tulungan mo lang, ha?
Number 5, CSQ. CSQ number 5. Pass to number 27. Number 28, Pacha. CSQ. Number 5. CSQ was 2 points. 2 points only. Galing po sa pasa ni Pacha niya, ni Pacha. Ang tumalon sa tulan. Number 14, pass to. Number 11. Number 11, pass to Pepsi Walker. Boom! Here we go! Apatit Ken! Apatit Ken sa ST!
Roy, Roy!
Rebound, pass to number 31, Makato. Makato to number 31, number 14. Pepsi again! Easter again! Marcos! Apatit Ken, Santos ang tanong! CSQ! Is CSQ is not moving! Oh! Grande ball, set by Das Garcia, referee. Garcia. Ang pakalis ng sagot mo.
3 seconds ha.
Number 10, Rantan. Libre na naman po sa rescue. Rebound by Dick. Number 20. Number 20. Another number 20 is good. Number 20. Easy to point by number 30. 31-32. Isa na lang po mga kawan. 33-32.
Natin, natin! Bola natin! Bola natin! Baba, baba, baba! Baba, baba!
Number 14, negative 14.
Andres!
Palagay. Pass to Makato.
Labas mo na sa gitna! Labas mo na sa gitna! Dek!
Tumira ng tres. He's no good.
Wag mo ikataw! Baba! Rebound! Baba ka na! Baba! Rebound! Baba ka na!
Number 27, Marcos. Number 27. Umikot. Oh, kanayin na naman. Number 24.
Duran!
Number 31 is not the ball pass to number 1. The commissioner of Richmond. The commissioner of Richmond, Friendship, give the ball. Pass na sa skill ng number 31.
Lalim! Lalim!
Binigay sa number 40. 40 na ball.
grabe.
7. Ang marami ng laro ay number 7. Set by the Garcia. Referee. The Witcher versus Picasso. Pass to Magato. Magato. The Sistemator. Magato. Pass to the second point. He's to by the second point. 35-22. Number 2, Jen Paredo. Jen Paredo. Number 2.
Oh, defense!
Roy! Nasa loob ba? Dito ka sa labas.
Sab ako, sab!
Sabin, sabaut.
Number 5 CSP with the ball. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Pass to number 20. Roy, jump shot. Is no good. Rebound by Ryan. Ryan Arecibo. 1-1 to CSP.
Dalawa.
Number 5, second personal foul. Time out. Time out.
Back to the ball game. Isa lang po ang kalamangan. Sa championship, gagawin po natin championship sa North America. Lahat tayo makilapano.
North America po tayo.
North America to, boy.
Amerika to, Canada.
Sa US tayo.
Wala! Dalawa kayo! Baba!
Back to the ball game, Poke. The Pokemon.
Last 4 minutes.
Back to the artist. The artist to the ball. Versus
9 seconds shot clock. 7, 3, 2, 1. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation.
Lapit mo kami!
Maganto, first personal foul, second team foul. Last 3 minutes. Substitution. Pasok, 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 pasok.
Number 13 and number 23.
Oras.
Lamang ang Roman Bay.
To number 3. Number 3 to number 14 to number 11. To number 23. Number 23 pinagalan. Masyal Malay.
Last 2 minutes.
Tawal niyo! Tao!
37-34. The Pokerman, Abe. Naghahanap mo papasahan si The Pokerman. Number 27, The Poker. Pinasa ng JP. Nagu. Pinasa ng JP. JP. Sinaksak is good. Foul.
27, first personal foul, second team foul.
First personal foul. Michael Cruz.
Oras. Tumato, running time po tayo, running time.
Substitution.
Pasok ka! Sam!
Bigay na kasi ang bola.
Michael!
To 9-4-3. Back step to 11-40. May
Roger!
Number 15, second personal foul, third team foul.
Number 23, a foul shot. He's no good. Rebound by Jake Peka. Pass to Abe. Pass to Ano. He's no good.
Last 25 seconds. 20 seconds.
Wala. Rebound by
14 seconds. 11 seconds. 5 seconds. 2, 1.
Papi! Sobrang taas mo tumalo na! Ang tuhod niya, nandito sa atin yan eh! Papi! Ano ka dyan o? Edward! Taas!
Back to the ball game. Last quarter na po tayo. Fourth quarter na po. Ano po ang masasabi nyo? Makakapasok po ba sa semifinal ng North Series? Ng North American League? Grand Prix?
Pwede na bola!
Maganto. Maganto, ang sistimador ng Roman Bay. Pass to negative 40 ng last leg.
47, second personal foul. First team foul.
Ang closing foul, set by the Jake Diaz. First one is no good.
Atas ka na, pre. Atas ka, uy.
Yung commentator, atras ka. Second point na.
Is not again. Rebound. Set by the center post. Hindi na masagawa ang number 5 dito. Haras by number 5. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 21 shot lang ang pinakagawa. 24.
Tuloy na! Depensa!
Number 5.
Dahil sa laksak mo, dahil sa laksak!
Number 5, CSQ.
Sa laksak!
CSQ, pass to Dandan. Tumira ng 3. Boom, wala. Rebound by number 23. Number 23. Foul by number 7.
Number 7, third personal foul. Second team foul.
Third.
Third personal foul.
Magato, inside the goal. Pass to number 11, Ryan. Ryan. Double team. Ryan. Pass to negative 40. Negative 40. Oh, pass to center point. Is reward by center point. Shot na po ang kalabangan.
43-34 in favor of Brahma Bay.
Studio, Bakura, nagpas ang easy to goal. Binukot po. Ryan. Ryan Ayablag. Ryan Ayablag, steal. 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 Number 40. At ang ultimo shot. Bumumpa. Ryan. Number 7. Number 7, number 5. Number 5, CSQ. No good. Attack the day. Steal by. Oh, foul. Foul by number 23.
Number 23, second personal foul. First team foul.
Kevin! Dalawa!
Number 7. 27, double team. Pass number 5. Foul. Foul by number 5. Number 30.
Number 13, second personal foul. Second team foul.
Two shot. Two shot by number 7.
13, second personal foul.
Is no good.
Lapit sa bulan. Sayang. Sayang sa tingin. Susuwaktan naman ako. Kala.
Is good by number
45-37 in favor of Brahma Bay.
Pahinga, boss.
Last 7 minutes.
7. Oh, steal. Number 20. Dito na ba number 20? Hindi na.
Number 5, third personal foul. Third team foul.
Magato. Magato. Pass to Ryan. Ryan, the shot is no good. Rebound. Number 27. Number 27. Sumabit palakas. Number 31.
Timeout, timeout.
Number 31. Number 31 to negative 40. Negative 40 to center point, center point. Center point is used by center point. Easy to point by center point.
47-37 in favor of Brahma Bay. Last 6 minutes.
Number 27. Pass to Dandan. Dandan. The movement is no good. Rebound by Bosin.
Timeout kami ah.
Rebound by Bosin.
Timeout, Grandi. Timeout, Grandi. time out, time out.
Kasi ano,
Number 40. Dito na ball by number 40. Still. Nahuli pa lang number 40. Pass to Magato. Open 3-second violation by negative 40. Number 5. CSU. Pass to Estudio. Back to number 5. Tumira ng 3. No good.
Last 5 minutes.
Number 5 to number 27 Marcos. Tumira ng 3. Is the good na Wanoy. Is the ball by number 20. Ostudio.
39-47 favor of Browndale.
Number Magato to negative 40. Negative 40 has by CSQ. Pass to Alanzay. Foul by number 32. The Jimmy Santos.
Number 22, first personal foul, warning for penalty. Randy, warning.
First try of number 23 is Matas. Si Torino pa lang ang sa van. 3-40. Postudio. Postudio, binababa ang bola pinto sa CSQ. Apakyat pa yung Brazil. Malakas. Malakas. Hop.
Number. Sino? Penalty, penalty.
walang number si Junard.
Number 15, Junard, third personal foul.
Penalty and penalty. First try of negative 40 is good. Malakas 40. Malakas 40. He score 48-39. He's good again. 15-49. Upper line. Foul by number 11 Ryan Garcia.
Di pa.
Third personal foul, third team foul lang ng Browndale. First personal foul ni Rawa.
Number 5. Number 5 to Brazil to Mirandres. Is the move. Oh!
Shot number 22 out.
Foul, substitution. Marcos, tumira ng 3. Boom! Habang 27-43. Gusto na lang po ang kalaban. Number 21. Number 40. Number 40. Foul number 27. Marcos.
Third personal foul, number 27. Third personal foul. Penalty, penalty.
Foul by number 27. It's foul by number 40. Second round. Malakas, rebound by number 27, Marcos. Malakas by number 23. Foul. Foul by number 23.
Granby. Number 23, third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty, warning.
Warning ko penalty tayo.
Back to the ball game po tayo.
Seconds, ha?
14 seconds shot clock.
Number 5 to number 27. Number 27. Tumira ng 3. No good.
Last 3 minutes.
Two chipaps. Foul by number. No.
Out of bounds, out of bounds.
Outside the ball. No foul, no foul. 12 seconds shot clock.
Wait lang.
Substitution, ref. Sub. Pasok, ref. Pasok. 10 seconds shot clock.
12 seconds to shoot. Number 14. Number 11.
Third personal foul, number 20. Penalty.
Penalty, right? Penalty. It's good. Personal is good. Second round. It's no good. Rebound by Marcos. Rebound pass through. Marcos, tumira ng 3. No good. Back ball. Yellow ball,
Same
yellow
ball, same ball. 14 seconds shot clock.
Marcos, tumira ng 3. Boom. Foul by number 21.
41, first personal foul.
Dapat pinatao na nila eh. 2 minutes na lang.
2 minutes and 16 seconds. First round. Please walking.
Sab daw, sab.
Mabilis ulit.
(52-46) in favor of Browndale.
Pwede ba siya?
Nice!
Suggested foul, number 27.
Number 27, warning for Broadway.
Kita-kita kasi.
Time out, Browndale.
Dapat wala tawag yun eh. Slap yun, slap. Ay, sabay eh.
Side ball, side ball, side ball.
Go, para sa Canada, go, para sa Canada. Sabay ka ba?
14 seconds shot clock. Penalty. Number 13,
Penalty.
third personal foul, number 13.
Shout out naman sa Chikinini para sa Canada. Hindi sa iba, shout out Chikinini. Barkod! Shout out kay Barkod, pakitignan yung Chikinini para sa Canada. First round, number 5 is substitution ba? Substitution ba?
Hindi.
That's the number 7. Out, number 2, Jake Pareño in.
Last 1 minute.
Tumira ng 3.
55-50 in favor of Browndale.
Side.
Pass to Estudio. Number 3. Number 2.
Second personal foul, number 2.
Semifinal versus SQ. Is the
seconds. Shot clock, 27 seconds.
Pass to Rose.
Warning for ground rate. Sino foul? Roy, warning for graduate. Warning. 56-54 in favor of Rowan Bay.
Kailangan nyo, Tres. Kailangan, Tres. Patirahin nyo yun, oh.
Ay, sino yung nag-57 doon? Kaya nag-tres yun eh.